This chapter is very confusing. Some verses are wisdom, most forgets free will. Chapter could be used by the arrogant to confuse followers. NPR 2:15. None can perceive his residence, for he dwells in the profound silence of the outer sphere. Look for him in the order of nature, and see his plan in its direction. Look for him amid the stars in their courses, and see the grandeur of his scheme. Look for the unmanifested spirit in the manifested object. NPR 2:16. His glory is proclaimed in the heavens. The sun reflects his splendor. The moon witnesses his peace. His fruitfulness is spread over the face of the land, and the waters are filled with his bounty. The earth bends to his will, or is broken to his command. Man may walk in the appointed direction, or he will be driven. Walk in the light of the law, and not along the paths of the transgressor. For the laws of the high God are unchallengeable, and cannot be transgressed with impunity. The wrongful deeds and the wicked thoughts of men are indelibly inscribed upon the everlasting tablets of his immortal soul. Nice words. It is the part at end of 2:16 that demands humanity give up free will I have a problem with. It implies this individual considers himself capable of doing only what God can, know what is in the soul of others, and pronounce it evil or good. Often, the tragic acts in history are taken by those that will judge others based only on outward appearances, and they are usually the same ones that only focus on getting you to do ritualistic actions to show alliance and fidelity, but fails to realize just because a hand is raised and words uttered, it does not mean the soul isn't crushed. It is tempered for a time, waiting for the day when enough souls are crying that they become the majority. On that day, your arrogance will find you suffering, and your memory will be reviled, not honored. God's will still stands, because He, unlike you, values individuals, and is interested in souls, not in outward earthly signs of fake ritual.